Head, Principal Sister Nimi, Manager of the school, Reverend Sister Jessie, sisters, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I, Prince Kumar from class 9th A, welcomes you all on this auspicious day. Today we are going to celebrate 152nd birth anniversary of our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to recall Gandhi's principle of peace and non-violence and to educate and inspire the present generation by reminding the contribution made by Gandhiji to make India an independent country. Gandhiji was gone through long struggle so that people of India could breathe in an independent nation. He was a great devotee of truth and non-violence. Every year, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated at Rajghat, Delhi, and our Prime Minister along with President gathers there to pay tribute by offering flowers to his samadhi. Now, I, with my fellow friends, on behalf of St. Genevieve Convent School, is going to pay tribute to the great soul of our country, Mahatma Gandhi. As we all know, Gandhiji was a man of great thought. So here comes Kanish of class 4 to inspire us with his thoughts of Gandhiji.
Namaste everyone. I would like to begin my speech by a famous quote by great scientist Albert Einstein. Generation to come will hardly believe that such a person in flesh and blood walked upon this earth. These were the words of admiration for our great leader Mahatma Gandhi. 2nd October every year is a great day for India as well as for the world. On this day, India celebrates the birth anniversary of Father of the Nation Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. This day is also celebrated as the International Day for Non-Violence in memory of Mahatma Gandhi. Instead of giving emphasis on factual data of Mahatma Gandhi, I would like to address on Gandhian ideologies and principles applicable today. The first one is non-violence. Gandhiji gave importance to non-violence. It was an important weapon invented by Gandhiji for freedom struggle and successfully implemented it. When we observe the global terrorism and incident of Taliban capturing Afghanistan, we strongly feel the need of non-violence principle in modern era. The second one is cleanliness. Gandhiji gave importance of cleanliness. The current government is following it by the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The third one is self-reliance. Bapu strongly recommended the value of self-reliance. The Indian government is following it by the Atmanirbhar Bharat mission. I conclude my speech by requesting all people to follow the principles of Gandhiji in their day-to-day life for a happy, prosperous, healthy and harmonious life. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you for your encouraging lines on Gandhiji. Now I hand over to my friend Akruti. So let's enjoy.
Thank you, Prince. You must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is an ocean. If few drops of ocean is dirty, the ocean does not become dirty, said by Gandhiji. So, here are the students of class 4 for a dance performance.
भाई भाई का दुश्मन है बना रे, नफरत की आंधी बहती रे, वैसे दिलों को बापू प्यार सिखा दे, आजा रे बापू आजा रे। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
What a wonderful performance! So, we have the students of class 3rd to recite a poem on Gandhiji.
सुनो सुनो मैं तुम्हें सुनाऊं, बात पते की बतलाऊं। सुनो सुनो मैं तुम्हें सुनाऊं, बात पते की बतलाऊं। 2 अक्टूबर को जन्मे थे एक महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानी। नाम था उनका मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी और करते थे वो अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ मनमानी। सुनो सुनो मैं तुम्हें सुनाऊं, बात पते की बतलाऊं। 2 अक्टूबर को जन्मे थे एक महान स्वतंत्र सेनानी। सच्चाई और अहिंसा, सच्चाई और अहिंसा का जिसने साथ निभाया, उन्होंने ही प्रेम के साथ अंग्रेजों को रुलाया। रहती थी वो धोती कुर्ता पहने, रहती थी वो धोती कुर्ता सदैव पहने। सादगी थी उनके प्यारे प्यारे गहने। सोचती उनकी इस दुनिया से खूब निराली, तभी तो मिली भारत को स्वतंत्रता की हरियाली, तभी तो मिली भारत को स्वतंत्रता की हरियाली। आत्मा नहीं, वो तो महात्मा है, महात्मा है। उनके सिद्धांत का दुनिया में बोलबाला है, इसीलिए उनका जन्म दिवस मनाकर सब चाहने वाला है। सीख जो देते बापूजी वो अपना लो, सच्चाई अहिंसा और सादगी को तुम भी गहना बना लो, तुम भी गहना बना लो भाई, तुम भी गहना बना लो। Thank you. To uphold the script of patriotism values of non-violence, we have the student with a group dance performance.
माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे, भूले हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे। ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के। वंदे में था दम, वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे मातरम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, नाम सारे आज की तारे सेलिब्रेशन तेरे नाम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, नाम सारे आज की तारे सेलिब्रेशन तेरे नाम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति क्या रात है, क्या बात है, मेरी जिंदगी मेरे साथ है, ना चैन है ना होश है, हर आरज़ू मदहोश है। मांगे तो आज कभी तेरे तेरे अपने, जाने तमन्ना उसे पूरी की है रब ने, कैसे करूं मैं शुक्रिया। रघुपति राघव, रघुपति राघव, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, नाम सारे
shape the world. No act of kindness, no matters how small, is ever wasted. In a gentle way, you can shape the world. To give right direction to life, you should have right knowledge. पुस्तकें मन के लिए साबुन का कार्य करती है. जब आपका सामना किसी विरोधी से हो तो उसे प्रेम से जीते, अहिंसा से जीते. बाप से दूर ना करो, बाप से प्रेम करो. थोड़ा सा अभ्यास बहुत सारे उपदेशों से बेहतर है. Man is but the product of his thought. What he thinks he becomes. So, we have the students of class 5th giving the message of cleanliness.
Today, the power of Gandhiji's word still inspires us to change the world by changing ourselves. He said sanitation is more important than independence. His dream was to total sanitation for all. He stated that I will not let anyone walk through my mind with their dirty feet. When the both inner and outer cleanliness, it approaches good life and pointed out his close relationship to good health.
Hand washing. Hand washing is a simple act that saves lives from many life-threatening diseases. Good hand washing is the first line of defense against the spread of illness, including coronavirus. It has reduced infant mortality rate by up to all developing countries. It keeps children stay out of disease and concentrate on their studies. Thank you.
Cleanliness is the only way to keep all the diseases away. Clean and green make a perfect pair. Maintain cleanliness around you and find godliness everywhere. Cleanliness is a sign of development. Please make your environment clean for your future generation. Give your city a clean look to maintain the dream look. Cleanliness is a good habit that we need to follow.
On 2nd October 2014, the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched nationwide cleanliness campaign on the occasion of Mahatma Gandhi's birth anniversary. The concept of Swachh Bharat is to provide sanitation facilities to every family, including toilets, solid and liquid waste. Disposal system will ensure cleanliness and safe and adequate drinking water supply. We have to achieve this by 2022 as a benefit tribute to the father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi on his 152nd birth anniversary. In conclusion, everyone must maintain cleanliness. If everyone does their bit, we can make our earth cleaner and greener.
It was really excellent. Now, let's hear from our school principal, Reverend Sister Nimi, on this auspicious day.
Good morning. I would like to begin this day with a quote from Mahatma Gandhi. Heroes are made in the hour of defeat. Dear sisters, teachers, students and parents, today, 2nd October, we pay our homage to the father of the nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Mahatma Gandhi. A simple, warm wish on his birthday can bring back the spirit of independent India. It is a day to value a special person, the person who is the hero of our nation. Heroes are simple, ordinary people like any of us, made remarkable impact in the life of common people. Even after 73 years of his bodily departure, we have a lot to learn from the life of Gandhiji. His principles of truth and non-violence teaches a lot about leading life with honesty. He is a well-known figure in Indian independence history for bringing the concept of Satyagraha, which means abiding by the truth force. Not only Gandhiji was instrumental for India's struggle for freedom, but he was also fought social evil like racism, casteism, and the practice of untouchability. Even today, the spirit of Gandhiji moves us to better our country with the idea of Swachh Bharat, in which our students are a part of Clean India and Green India drive. In conclusion, I would like to say that we should learn something from the life of Mahatma Gandhi and try to make our nation great as envisaged by him.
Thank you, sister, for your audacious words. So, it is time to say goodbye, and thank you everyone for joining us in today's celebration of Mahatma Gandhi birth anniversary. Not only today, but we should honor our beloved Gandhiji each and every day and follow his thoughts and contribute ourselves and in the growth and development of our country. Thank you. Once again, wishing you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti.